Look at that rack of ribs right there. Get her filled up. We'll use a binder, a W sauce. A little bit on these, don't need much. We'll get this spread out a little bit. Start out with a light layer of Heath's honey chipotle. Get a light layer. Now I'm hitting it with his sweet barbecue rub. We're gonna let this rub sweat in for about 15 minutes. Put these rib tips up on the top. We're gonna let these go for about 2.5 hours. Give these a spritz about every 45 minutes. Get you one of these fancy spritzers at How to Barbecue Right store. We got a mound of brown sugar down, butter out of the magic blue bottle. We're gonna put a little bit of Heath Rawls butter bath to it. Just a little bit, not much. The honey for the money. Down, meat side down. A little bit more moisture at the back of them. Had these ribs wrapped up for about an hour. We're gonna glaze these ribs up with Heath Rawls new competition barbecue sauce. A little strand on each rib. We'll smooth these out with a basting brush. Get them back on the smoker for about 10-15 minutes. Get these bad boys on. Just let them glaze. Cut into these bad boys and see what we got. Look at what you got. So good.